Hi, I will teach you how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. First, you need to go to or search chat.openai.com. Hit enter and then click sign up. Put the email address that you would like to use, continue, and create your password. Hit continue. Now you have to verify your email address. So after verifying your email address and your phone number, you could use ChatGPT now and you will be directed to the preview. Next, next, done. Now you could send your request to ChatGPT now. Let's try asking something. That's it. You have now ChatGPT available and ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.